Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can use a filter in the Spark. Okay, so what is filter? First let's try to understand filter in Spark. Let's assume that you have one table, okay, and in this table you have a different country data. Okay, let's say you have some records related to the India, then we have some records related to the China, and then you have some records related to the USA. Now we are in a situation where you need to just filter out India records, and then you need to write down those records somewhere. So how you can do that? So let's say you got India record here after filtering, and then you are saving those record or writing those records somewhere in the HTTPS location. Now if you want to filter the record in the Spark, you can use a filter condition itself. Okay, so you can filter based on the number of conditions, and this is how you can use that. We will see this thing practically, how you can use this filter condition. Along with this filter condition, you can also use a multiple condition. Let's say you are saying that where country equals to India and city equals to Amravati. So you can use AND condition or condition depending on your use. You can use this condition along with the filter. Okay, let's try to see this practically. So I have one Spark project where I'm reading one of the CSV file, and let me try to print some of the result over here. So I'm just printing 10 records. Let's run it. Okay, and then we will try to filter this record based on the state level. So here you can see there are multiple records are there of different state. What I will do, I will just filter this record based on the state TAS. Okay, now what you need to do, first call the data frame to whom you want to filter, get CSV dot filter. Okay, now you need to write down the condition. I want to filter this based on the column, so you will call column and the column name will be state. What filter you want to use? I want to use when state equals to not equal null set. This is for something different use, whenever you want to avoid null value. Okay, so we have equals to, let me correct it, state dot equal to, okay, TAS. I want all the record of state TAS, and then I just want to print the result, and then let's run it. So you can see that I have just write down the code which is doing a filter of state TAS. Okay, so you can go there, and where is the state? Oh, I need to go up. Yeah, here you can see all the records of state TAS. Now if you want to further filter on it, you can do that. Just write down the one more condition inside the filter. So you will do like dot and, okay, so let's assume that I want to filter with the address. So I will use an call ADDRESS address dot contain. So this time what I'm saying, that those address which contain 171, okay, only those address I want to filter out. Can you see there is one address which is containing 171? Okay, and when state equals to TAS, so only this record should come. Let's try to run it. The Spark application I have submitted, and here you can see 171. I'm getting only one record which is having address containing 171 and state equals to TAS. This is how you can use the filter condition. I hope you understood the concept. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you're looking for training, definitely you can contact me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you again with the next video.